What's up, people? It's your boy Alpha Blue here, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So, guys, this is going to be our usual daily Euro USD and GBP USD technical analysis. So, guys, this is the channel that will give you the best technical analysis when it comes to Euro USD and GBP USD. I drop this analysis every day on this channel. So, if you want to catch up with my analysis on a daily basis, do well to hit the subscribe button, guys. So this is a very, very simple, straightforward analysis. Nothing complicating, nothing fussy, just very, very basic, straightforward stuff. So if you want to be seeing more of this analysis, do well to subscribe to this channel. Also, I share all my trades on my Telegram channel. If you want to see my entries and my exits, all the trades I take, then do well to subscribe to my Telegram channel. Just check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my Telegram channel. So guys, without further ado, let's jump right into today's analysis. So this is Euro dollar on the 4-hour time frame. We have been very bullish for a long time, and my bias still remains bullish. Very, very simple and straightforward. Look at the uptrend from down here all the way here. Very bullish, very clear. The order flow is obviously bullish. But in this case, I'm looking to short. Why? Because usually in the trending market, there are times where you get corrections, before the market continues to move in the trend, in the direction of the trend. So this is that phase, that correction phase we're having right now on Euro USD. And now I'm projecting that this correction will continue until it gets into this demand area right here. If you look here, you find out that we have an imbalance on this candle right here. So I feel, look at the imbalance here, right? So I feel we're going to see price come all the way down to take out to fill in this imbalance and probably tap this other block here or demand area here before it continues pushing to the upside. So that is my forecast, that is my analysis. But before it gets to this point, I'm hoping to get a sell entry along here or here, and then I sell it to the downside. So initially, my area of interest to sell was this other block right here. If you go to the lower time frame, you find out that there's a very clean other block here. But then price never came back to filling the other block. It just kept selling gradually, grinding gradually. If I go to the 1 hour, all right, so you see the other block on the 1 hour, right? We got this last bullish candle, a very strong bearish candle to the downside. Then price just started melting down slowly. So initially, I was targeting to enter around here. Price should come up, take out this engineered liquidity, then continue selling to the downside. But that didn't happen. We still see this, slow grind to the downside. So I probably will not be keen on this area anymore because I feel price will likely get to this point before it gets here, right? But then what I'm looking at to do today is that I just drew this line right here. This is the line where I'm looking to sell Euro USD. So we have the Asian range liquidity right about here. This is the Asian high. So I feel, and if you look at it, this is like a previous area uh of resistance that are going to turn to support, likely, right? Most likely. So price came here, it got resisted over 3 times, and then coming. No, I'm busy. Don't leave the door open. Sorry about that. So price came here over 3 times, and then it broke this area of resistance, and then we go back here, right? So right now, this idea is very simple. I want to see this price come back in here, take out this liquidity, this Asian range liquidity, and then give me some indication that it wants to continue selling. And then I take the sell. So this is today's trade idea, right? I'm hoping to see price come back here, sweep this liquidity, sweep this high, sweep this Asian range liquidity, give me like an indecision candle or a bearish engulfing candle, and then I enter. Simple as that. I may even wait to see a close of a higher time frame candle, like 4-hour candle close bearish around this point. Then I look to enter and I target this point right here. My target will just be here. right? So this is about 68 pips. We're able to get this entry, it's still gonna be fine, you know, still going to be cool. So that's just my simple, straightforward analysis on Euro USD today. Nothing fancy, no plenty English. Just wait for price to come back to this point and then sell it into this area of supply, sorry, demand, or this other block, or to fill in this imbalance. It's as simple as that. So we're just following the order flow, the like immediate order flow right here, which is bearish until the price comes into this area, then we begin to look for buys. So that's it for Euro USD today. I hope you got value in this. The year is just starting out, so I still feel the market is going to be quite slow today, nothing really much. From tomorrow, we begin to see like serious moves in the market because people are still getting back from the holidays and all of that. But then let's just see how it goes. I hope this year is going to be very, very profitable and mind-blowing and like record breaking, you know, for all of you guys out there and for me as well. So cheers, guys. I hope you got value. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Check the description, you'll find a link to my Telegram. You can join and watch all the trade I take. I share all my entries there, and then I hope to share more value with you there as well. So see you guys in the next one. Cheers and bye-bye.